Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Ford Focus check engine light. Before you clear the light, it's crucial to understand why it came on. A common culprit is often a loose gas cap, which is an easy fix. Ignoring the check engine light can lead to more significant and costly engine problems down the road, so addressing it promptly is always best for your vehicle's health. One simple method involves disconnecting your car's battery. First, locate your battery and identify the negative terminal, usually marked with a minus sign. Using a wrench, carefully loosen and remove the negative cable. It's important to wait at least 15 minutes before reconnecting it. This allows the car's computer to fully reset, potentially clearing the check engine light. Remember to be safe when working with car batteries. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy car tips. And on another note, after all that car work, you'll be hungry. Make meal prep a breeze with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. You can find the link for these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Another effective way is using an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner. You can buy or borrow one from most auto parts stores. Simply plug the scanner into your Ford Focus's diagnostic port, usually found under the dashboard. The scanner will then display any trouble codes. Follow its instructions to clear these codes, which should turn off the check engine light. This method also helps you understand the underlying issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.